Hi, this is Jim Troth, Habitation Investigation. I have a home seller's tip for you. So let me flip this camera around and show you what I'm looking at. All right, we are in the basement of a house. And as you can see, we have some steel beams here. So obviously they've done some repair work on the foundation, which is fine. But as the seller, you want to let the buyers know about this, let them have information on that steel beam. And I recommend you have the engineer's report or the repair company's information on this, because some foundation is always a concern for buyers. So when they still see beams, they know there's been some kind of issue, some kind of movement. What they often don't realize is that the foundation now with these beams, it is stronger now than it was originally. So when we come in and do a home inspection and we see the beams, to us it's fine. It's good. It looks like it's a good thing as long as it hasn't moved anywhere. Then we know what hey, this is good. It's strong now. But the buyers don't know that. They want to know what's going on. And sometimes there's odd little things like this one here. Get the light not too bright. They put the concrete in there to put right up against the beam. But then down here there's a strange gap where it's not really even. But the repair company still put that extra cement as a wedge inside there. So this is how it was repaired. It hasn't moved since then. But it's nice for the seller to have the information. All right, nothing over here. So the beams are just over a couple areas of the foundation, but it's nice to have that information for the buyer so they can see that and feel comfortable. So take that paperwork, put it by the house, in the kitchen, so they can find that. That way they can feel comfortable with the house. All right, well that's the tip. Maybe a little wordy, but if you have an engineer's report or foundation repair company's paperwork, put that in your countertop in your kitchen. That way they can see that, they can know, because often there's a transferable warranty, and we tell them that. But if you have that in writing, they'll feel a lot better. And you want the buyers to feel comfortable when they see your house. Okay, so have the paperwork, verify that the foundation has been repaired and there's a warranty with it. That way they can feel comfortable. Thank you, everybody. Bye bye.